Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the latest update about the LayerEdge Airdrop. To be very specific, we are going to be talking about how to verify your wallet address on Discord, and also we are going to be talking about how to connect and verify your Twitter account, because these are the two latest updates that are very important that you do right now, and this is going to help you stay eligible for the airdrop. Alright, so this is very important because if you don't do it, you may likely lose all your LayerEdge points. So right now, watch closely and see how I'm going to be doing it right here on this video. So everything is very simple, and right now let's start with how you can be able to verify your Twitter account first. All right, so when you look over here right now, you click on this straight line over here, then you go ahead and go to the task section. All right, so over there on the task section, that's where we're going to be completing the task. So right now, watch closely. Okay, so over here right now on the task section, you can see this is where a lot of things are showing up, and right here guys, you can see that we have completed most of the tasks, but this one right here is yet to be live, but we are supposed to complete this one right here, which is of course connecting and verifying your Twitter. So you click on connect Twitter right now, and remember, after completing this task, you are going to be getting 5,000 LayerEdge points. So you click on connect Twitter immediately. Okay, and over here they are going to be asking you to authorize the connection or to authorize the app. You click on authorize app immediately, and the connection is going to be established, and you are going to be taken back to your LayerEdge account. Okay, and once you are back right here, then you go ahead and click on verify Twitter. All right, so this is going to be loading up immediately, and it's going to be finding out whether you connected your Twitter or not. All right, so over here guys, it is going to be asking you to confirm it through your MetaMask wallet. You click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, immediately this task is going to be completed just like this. But if you look over here right now, you can see that this one is coming soon. It is not yet live. All right, so what you need to do right now is check out the wallet that you connected. We are about to go right now and verify our address on the Discord. All right, so coming over here right now on our Telegram channel, the link to the Discord is already given. So right now, let's go ahead and talk about how to verify this task. All right, so coming over here to the LayerEdge Discord channel, this is how everything looks like. And right now guys, what you need to click is to first of all verify yourself. Once you find yourself on this Discord server, just verify yourself, and all this thing right here is going to be live then, because if you haven't yet verified yourself, you won't see all this thing right here. Okay, so you go ahead and click on claim role. Okay, so clicking on claim role right now, this is where you are going to be claiming your role. And when you look closely, you can see that a lot of people are doing it very wrong right here. Like this person right here is doing it wrong, he didn't do it right, and this person here also didn't do it right. So right now, that is why it is very important that you are listening, you are following someone's footstep, and so that you won't get to miss out just like these people right here are missing out. When you scroll up again, you can see that a lot of people are doing the same mistakes right here, but to them they think they are doing it correctly, but they ain't doing it correctly. All right, right now watch us closely. Let me show you how to do it correctly. Okay, so to be able to do it correctly, you come over here to the message section, then you go ahead and you type in hash claim. Okay, once you write claim, this is going to be popping up, then you click on it, then you go ahead and then paste that your address. Okay, you go ahead and paste your address. So you can see there is a space between this claim role and your wallet address. Then you go ahead and finally send the message. Okay, once you send it, then you are done. It is very simple as this. Okay, so that's how simple it is. And if you see this person that just sent his own right now, he made mistake on it because he was actually trying to just write exactly what he saw, but he didn't remember to put the he has now edited it correctly. Okay, so these are the reason why you need to be doing everything according to how you are being shown, and also you need to be following someone's footsteps so that you won't be making any mistake along the line. All right, so this is the latest update right now concerning the LayerEdge airdrop. So I believe you are gathering as many points as possible, and you are ranking up even higher on this airdrop because it's going to be very massive. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I believe you like it. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon. Okay.